Hi, my name is Janae. I work at Rise Fitness Studio in the village of Hamburg. We've teamed up on this beautiful Saturday with Colton RV to do a killer HIIT workout. 8 moves on a timer, full body, a lot of sweat, a lot of happiness going on today. Then we ended with an amazing iced coffee from Premium. We have lunch from Buffalo Bros Burgers and some energy balls from Just in the Kitchen. So it's been a beautiful day, a great way to start the weekend. We love teaming up with businesses, both small and larger, and just giving everybody a nice little mix of activities to do on the weekend.